Well, earlier today, there hadn't been much rain accumulation across the area, but just in the last few hours, we've had some downpours, which have added up to about a half inch in places around Baltimore and into Anne Arundel County. Some parts of the eastern shore have pushed over an inch of rain, like around Betterton. It's been really hit or miss who's gotten the most rain. In fact, the heaviest focus has been in southern Maryland and the lower eastern shore, where places just south of Ocean City have pushed over 4 inches of total rain, and that's been closer to the center of that coastal low. So this low pressure continues to bring really heavier rain across southern Maryland and parts of eastern Virginia. We're getting at least a band of some rain as well, and within that there have been occasional lightning strikes, but the big focus is mainly down towards Ocean City right now, where there's a lot of lightning currently right there at the beach. So we're still going to be watching these rain showers moving through the area on and off through the next several hours through tomorrow as well. You can see mainly light green on the radar, but in some spots it turns red and orange in the future radar, indicating that occasionally a downpour will pass by. So it does help to have an umbrella for you, especially when the rain briefly gets heavier. We could see some brief pockets of heavy rain throughout the morning commute, otherwise generally light rain showers. That's the case on and off through the rest of tomorrow. Times of rain, times where it is heavy in some spots. And it's also going to be breezy and chilly, only in the 60s. We'll take a wider view here of the futurecast so you can see how kind of on Wednesday, the focus of the steadier rain is actually across central Maryland. The heavier rain starts to lift away from the lower eastern shore, and it doesn't quite reach western Maryland. So any shower that makes it all the way towards Garrett County should be a lot more isolated. So it's the central part of the state where the rain is a little more steady and will accumulate maybe another half inch or so, and maybe an inch in some spots. The breeze will still be with us through this evening. It's occasionally gusting over 20 miles per hour around Baltimore, but still getting some gusts over 40 miles per hour down towards Ocean City. The wind should slowly die down tonight and tomorrow, more to just an uncomfortable breeze, still gusting over 20 miles per hour. So the wind is still breezy in Ocean City on Wednesday, where they still have a high risk for rift currents and really big waves. And then the water will slowly be calming down Thursday and Friday. And by then the sun is starting to break out, especially by Friday. The beach warms up close to 80. So tonight, impact weather with the on and off rain, the cool breeze. We're only in the 60s again tomorrow as well. Still breezy with on and off rain showers. They could be heavy in spots briefly. By Thursday, then the rain would taper off really early, so we'll start to clear out late in the day with more sun building at the end of the week. Friday warms to the mid 80s. Looks pretty nice this weekend with highs in the 70s. We'll have to watch next Monday or Tuesday. That's when there could be maybe a few isolated rain showers.